What's going on?
Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, 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 oh, oh. Ding, 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 crazy. Ding, ding.
Break it.
There we go. How we doing, boys? I hope we're doing absolutely fine on this evening. This day of reckoning. Fuck a fan. Friday the 13th. It's divine, isn't it? It's divine. One could have an entire monologue, right? An entire monologue to speak. But the real question that one must ask oneself is, it's simple, it's elegant, and it needs no more asking of. That is, of course, when the fuck are we gonna do Python? And that's right now. That's right fucking now. We're doing Python right fucking now, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, is it a little late? Yeah. Are we on our lunch break? Abso-fucking-lutely. So, of course, we're whipping out the demon timer. The demon timer is coming back out. Upon this clock striking 0, the world will end, and I will have to go back to the job. Yeah. So, let's lock the fuck in, shall we, boys? Hey, what's up, internet? I hope you're doing absolutely fine on this evening. I hope you're doing fucking fine. I hope you're doing fucking fine, internet. Internet, it's nice seeing you as always. It is so fucking nice seeing you as always. Like, I like seeing your fucking, your Discord profile pic always changing, but it's themed, you know? It's changing in a theme, and it's, keep it up. Keep it up. That's what I'm saying. Keep it up. Another stream? Yeah, you're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. Crazy frog. You're goddamn right. It's absolute peak. Absolute peak. Divine. Divinity at its finest. At its finest. Okay, we need something that's just absolutely bonkers chill. You know, something that's actually gonna kill us for how chill it is. Let's see. Let's go with right there. Right there. And then we're gonna do this one because it's bussin'. Okay, it's bussin'. Let's go like this. This works. Jesus, that scared the shit out of me. Okay. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. Pretty chill. Oh, we need to get into Zen. We need to get into Zen, you know? We gotta change the light. Not turn it off. Okay, that's not Zen. Nah. That's not bad. There we go. Okay, you can't really see it. Okay, boys. Let's continue. I missed your first stream today, bro. You always stream on the day I work. Dude, I'm sorry, my friend. I am very sorry. I am very sorry. Tends to happen. Tends to happen. The OGs are always locked in during when we are working. We have a literal cup of we have a cup of meatballs to steathe our to what's the word, to leash our hunger. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to it. Okay. Okay. Let's go like this. Alright. Well, if you boys missed the first stream, don't worry about it. We were just going schizophrenic. But right now, here's the thing, right? You want to build a robot arm, right? We want to build a robot arm. But here is the problem. Here's the problem. If we don't stay fucking locked in, we're not going to ever do it. It's not going to ever fucking come to pass. So, we have two options. We can either be a lazy bitch and not do anything and just play some Minecraft on my break, or we can lock the fucking and absolutely nuke our brains with some Python. Because as we have seen today from Michael Reeves' amazing video, it's actually very important to learn Python. Very. So, that's what we're going to do right now. Oh, what's up, my boy? I'm new. Excited to see what you do today. I'm excited that you're here. You're turning me on, boy. You're turning me on. Getting me excited. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fucking. It's as simple as that. We just need to lock the fucking, yeah? Okay. Oh, let's go like this. Let's go like this. And then zoom in a little bit. What are we at? 175. This is regular. Yeah, well, we can zoom in. There we go. Okay. We need our bookmarks, as you do. Okay. Oh, this is what we're doing. Okay. So tuples. Okay. So what was it? Accessing. Today we are going schizophrenic, learning about tuples. What were we on? So we had Python, we had access tuples, we had this update tuples, yeah, unpack. Let's click on this one real quick. Let's click on this. Yeah, this is what. Okay, unpack tuples. We're gonna skip through. We're not skip, but we're gonna jump through this shit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so. Unpacking tuples. We're just getting straight into it. Unpacking tuples. When you create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. Okay, this is important. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. It's called packing. Okay, packing. Packing a tuple. Packing a tuple. Fruits equals this. Okay, it's just setting it. It's literally this. It's as simple as that. It is packing a tuple. I don't know why you need to call it packing, but that's what it is. Okay. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variables, and this is called unpacking. Okay, so I think that's what we learned earlier today. So as we know, tuples are not changeable. Where's the music? Right? I think I hear it. It's tickling me. Yeah, it was tickling me. Weird ass fucking music, let me tell you. You know, it fucking works. Does it? Yeah, it fucking works. Okay, so in order to actually edit tuple, you can't, right? So what you do is you take the tuple, you put it into a list, right? A list. You can change that. And then you unpack the tuple into a list, and then take that list, and then you put that into another tuple. There you go. You edited the tuple. I don't know. That's just how it fucking works. You know what I'm saying? So, I think this is what this is referring to when it's saying unpacking. Okay. Unpack a tuple. Fruits equals this. Blah, equals... What? Print green. Print... I don't know what the fuck this is. This is fucking bonkies. Okay. Okay. Green, yellow, red. It's just in a parentheses and then equals fruits. What is up, my boy? I hope you don't absolutely swat today. I hope you don't fucking swat today. You know that? And you're gonna get it. Trust me, you're gonna get it. Don't you worry. I know you're gonna get it. Don't you worry. Well, this is fucking weird. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we just need to keep reading. Okay, so we get this. It's a little weird, but it makes sense. Kinda. It makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Notes. The number of variables must match the number of values in the tuple. If not, it's weird ass fucking music. One sec. That's nice. That's nice. Let's see. Bro, I can't understand this Python shit, to be honest. That makes two of us. That makes fucking two of us, brother. That makes fucking two of us. I'm super duper confused, okay? Super duper confused. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But hopefully we'll figure it out. One line of code at a time. We're gonna figure this out together. Okay, so let's see. I got the yeah, dude, that was quick. That was quick. W, my friend. Massive W. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so the number of variables must match the number of values in the tuple. If not, you must use an asterisk. God, I cannot pronounce that. Asterisk to collect the remaining values of the list. Oh, that's what we saw in that one thing. This makes sense. This makes sense. Yes. No, this totally makes sense. Okay. This totally makes sense. Using the asterisk. If a number of variables is less than the number of values, you add an asterisk to the variable name, and the values will be assigned to the variable as a list. We get this. We get this. Okay. Try it yourself to see outputs. No, that's a good idea, actually. That's a good idea. Good idea. What do I think the outputs are going to be? So we have fruit equals apple, banana, cherry. Okay, this is what the fruits is equal to. And then we have parentheses. Big parentheses. Green, yellow, red. Here's what I think is going to happen. It's going to print. I think that it's going to look like this. It's going to print apple, banana, cherry 3 times in a row. At least that's what I'd assume. But like this formatting is just weird as fuck. I haven't seen this yet. I've seen fruits be assigned to this, but I haven't seen this assigned to fruits. So I honestly couldn't tell you. Oh. Now, why the fuck did that happen like that? That's the real question. Oh, you can't see the output, can you? Oh, no, you can, or I guess you can, yeah. Well, Apple, banana, cherry. Fruits equals this, equals fruits. I think they give one variable of the tuple to each. That's true. That is what's happening. But here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. It's setting all of this equal to fruits. Right? Because there's parentheses. If there wasn't parentheses here, that'd almost make more sense, but it doesn't at the same time. So that is really weird. At this point, you are now better than me at Python, so it's better to ask yourself. Don't you worry. I'm gonna be asking you anyways. Oh, now I get it. You get it now. Okay, please describe exactly what is happening here. Because, like, obviously, what's happening is we have... Oh, what if we're gonna change this? Let's try this. Let's just call this thing... Let's go like this, right? Let's go like this. And then... where the fuck chat go? And let's run this. Okay, now what if we're to do this, though? What if we're to do this? Well, hold up. I'm just being retarded. Hold, what was it originally? Was there a... No, there wasn't a thing. Okay, so... Now what happens? Now what happens? Because now there's more things. Well, that's informative. That's very informative. What's happening is what you just said is happen. Said very well, my friend. Said very well. That said very well. I couldn't have said it better myself. Astute one among us. Astute one among us. Okay, add another string to the fruits. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. But then, so it does depend. The length of fruits, the length of this tuple depends upon this thingamabobber that we're doing right here. So if we're to go like this, all of a sudden, let's bring this over here. Let's go like this. Copy. And then let's go like this. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, so this just wraps around, if you can't tell. Okay, and then run this. Let's try this. Okay. 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 Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. So, it's taking this thing, right? Hold on, man. Oh, we can probably just move it down here. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. It's taking fruits, right? And the length of it, because it's a tuple. It's taking this, and then that exists, right? But then all of a sudden we have this green, yellow, red poop. We have it in these parentheses, but importantly, this right here has order to it, right? It has an order. It has these commas. I guess. I don't fucking know. I haven't been taught this yet. I don't know why. But then it's being set to fruits. It's being indexed. This index is being indexed to fruits. I can only assume. Let's see. Oh, my name is on the list. I didn't. Silly man. Dude, yeah, no, exactly. I guess we just can move on. We're gonna move on. Like, you know, we're talking about something completely different. Packing a tuple. So, but in Python, we are also allowed to extract values back into the variables. This is called unpacking. So what we just did is unpacking. So you're making an array of strings, then assigning those strings. And then assigning each string to an element of some variable. So if these were numbers, let's say these were numbers of like, let's say, because we're trying to build a robot arm, right? We're trying to build a robot arm. Let's say that, oh, well, hold on. Let's say that these are, instead of being random. Hey, thank you, by the way, for that comment. That's actually very informative. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate you. So let's assume, let's make the assumption that this, why the fuck can I delete this? Is this uneditable? What? Oh, it's weird. Okay, let's assume, right, that these are limit switches. Let's go with this. Limit. Oh, well, limit switch. Limit switch, right? So the robot arm is going to, it's like, it's adjusting, it's telling itself where it is, right? It's going, and then it's being stopped. It hits a limit switch. Let's say that that limit switch is at position 0, right? I don't know, right? But then there's also, on the opposite end, there's another switch, another limit switch on the other end, which is at, let's say that, let's pretend this is in 45 degrees. This is in degrees, right? Let's say it's at 230 degrees, right? Like that. Bam. We're gonna get rid of this. Okay. Limit. Limit. I know that's not how you spell limit, but that's we're gonna go with it. Okay, we're gonna go with it. And then this one also is max. I don't know. It's an example. Okay, max. And then this is equal to fruit. Well, max 1. Max 1. Okay. And then we are to ask ourselves, Control C. We were to ask ourselves, what is Control C? Oh, that's... What is like the max? So right here we have two things, right? We have a robot arm. The limit switch is at 0, but then we have limit at 0. I don't fucking know. Okay. Yeah. We're setting it equal to fruits, right? We're having these integers. We're having it equal to these variables because we're setting it equal to these, right? Then we're going to print them. Oh, what? Hold up. Oh, we're gonna pretend that didn't just happen. Okay, we're gonna pretend. I'm gonna just like do a quick Men in Black swipe of your mind. This makes sense now. This makes so much sense now. We can move on. This makes total sense. Oh, what's up, my boys? Okay. Can you print fruit 0, so we can, if this works, like array, it's a tuple. You can print, yeah, it would return 0. Like if we're to do this, right? If we're to hold up, if we're to turn Control C, oh that's V, right? Well, uno momento, Control C, right? Control V, and then bam, because it is ordered. Yes, 0, bam, bam. So to this question, right? Where is it? Right here. To this question. Yes, it would return as 0. We're gonna have a 0, and then it's gonna return the exact same thing. It's gonna look exactly like this. Ideally. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna blow my brains out. My brains will stay in my noggin today. My brains will stay in my noggin today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is sick. This is kind of cool, actually. This makes sense now. This makes sense. That was a good question. That actually kind of that made it more tangible somehow. I don't know how. What the fuck is this music, brother? When the playlist just keeps going and you get into the weirdest territory. Sick art though. Sick art. Divine. Okay. We gotta set the mood, boys. We gotta set the mood. Speaking of setting the mood. Nope, wrong one. And then what we can do is we can go on the camera. There we go. A lot better. A lot better. That was blinding. It was blinding before. Okay, how does this mic arm holding up? It's insane. Okay. This makes sense, boys. This makes sense. Let's go like this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's look at this. I'm trying to code GUI that plots 32 characters of data using PyQt6, but I never coded GUIs. I have no idea how to pronounce that. But I never did that. Can you recommend any good resources to learn from? No. Absolutely not. No. I'm the last person that should be recommending anything to anyone. At all. At all. But I appreciate you coming here and assuming that I know what I'm talking about. I appreciate that. That means a lot to me. I appreciate that. That you are under the impression that I understand even remotely what I'm talking about. But that means a lot to me, my friend. Thank you. It does mean a lot. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Replace fruits with limits. Oh, yeah, no, that was from the thing. Yeah. Why is the code in your thumbnail and... We just found a random fucking thing, like a random thing. It took me forever to find code that was like what I was looking for. Is it seriously in Spanish? We're to figure this out right now. We're to figure this out right fucking now. Let's go to here. Let's go to... Oh, actually, no, what we can do is we can go to here. Let's go to Canva. Let's go to here, projects. Okay, let's go to... Let's go here. Right. It fucking is. Isn't it? I don't know what that is. Coliseo. I mean, it doesn't... Spanish, English, I suppose it works, you know what I mean? True, like, it works. What is this? Oh. Huh. Thank you for that information, though. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Hey, boys, we need to get this number up as much as possible. So if you are here and you're having a good time. It's vibey, and maybe it's your Friday or Saturday night or morning or anything in between, and you just want to learn some Python. You want to sit and insult a naive, bald primate that is struggling to understand the inner workings of Python. Well, it didn't mean a lot if you consider the notion of subscribing. Truly. Thank you, my boys. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. Okay, let's go like this. Where the fuck are you guys, too? Oh, you're hiding. You're hiding. Okay. Why is the code in your... Yeah, we have no idea. What if you have 3 numbers, but unpack them only... Wait. But unpack with only 2... What? Carryables. That's a good question. This is a good question. This is a good question. Let's figure this out real quick. Let's try that. Let's go like this. I think we're getting error, but let's try it. Oh, well, hold on. Well, we need to go like this. Ah, look at that. So because the 2 numbers don't match, it is throwing a fuck you, eat my ass type of thing, you know? Like, what are the red error code? What are that thing? Yeah, see, like, look, eat my ass, most recent call, get good, you're bad, stop wasting your time, loser. Something like that. Yeah, somewhere around those. That's about what that's saying. Let's see. Are tuples able to hold multiple data types? Yes. Any data type. Float. So true or false? Oh no, floating point number. A Boolean, so true or false. Integer. And a string. So yeah, you can basically, it can hold anything. Good question. Let's say. I don't know too much about Python. I only do C++ and Java. You clearly are infinitely more intelligent than I am. Infinitely. I wish I knew a 10th of your knowledge. Jesus, you know C++ and Python? Yeah, that's fucking sick. That's awesome. That is awesome. I wish. Do you know who Jinxie is? Some people have said and recommended. I never knew who he is until someone in chat was like, hey, do you know who Jinxie is? And then I was like, who the fuck's Jinxie? All of a sudden, yeah, no, he's an interesting fella. Let me tell you. Bro, should I come to America for studies? No, absolutely fucking not. Hey, do you have money? No more. No. No, you should not come to America for studies, okay? It is $10,000 per semester if you're lucky. If you're lucky. Yeah, no, don't do it. Okay. The only resource I use is vibe. The only resource I use is vibe coding with Grok, lol. You need to get professional help right now. I'm not talking about programming. No, I'm talking about psychiatric help. You might need some psychiatric help now. Stop your ways before they get too bad. You must halt these behaviors. They're unhealthy. I'm gonna assume that you're just never gonna do that again. Okay, you're never gonna do that done. I'm sure that you're never going to ever repeat anything like this ever again. Okay, and you're going to seek professional help, psychiatrically and for programming. Okay, that's what you need to do right now. Okay. The only resource that uses vibe coding. That's insane. You know, but it is a good teacher. Like, you have a very specific question. It is kind of nice. I won't lie. It is kind of nice, but that's okay. Okay. Yo, mate. just started code in January. That's fucking what I'm talking about the same time I did, in Python. Any specific tips, like some solid tips, not vague tips like every other person did, plus learning, all online via YouTube and other online. Okay. I have one specific tip, and I need to fucking take my own medicine for this. I need a gulp of my own medicine. You need a tip, something practical. I'm gonna give you something practical right fucking now. That's gonna be. It's literally the only thing you could do that will improve. Okay, no matter what. Take what it is you're learning, because obviously you know bro code, you know all these other people, you know free code camp, you know all these people on YouTube where to get this knowledge, right? Harvard University, yes, Harvard offers their coding courses online for free. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that the information is available, but you have to combine it with projects. You must combine it with projects. Otherwise, there's not going to be a point to it. You're going to forget everything, okay? This is why we're building a robot arm, okay? You can't really see it right now because it doesn't exist. But that's why we're trying to change. We're trying to make it exist. So get a project, small projects at first, but then guess what? All of a sudden, you're going to know how to program. You're going to learn how to program, but then you're going to use that. It's like, imagine this. You are learning how to drive. Here in America, it's a pretty normal thing to drive a car. In like Europe, I suppose it's not, I hear. But imagine this. You're trying to learn you're trying to get your driver's license. You're trying to learn how to drive. Imagine you sat there and just fucking read books all day. Can you see how that's a problem? That the problem there is like, you need to go drive your fucking car. The same thing with Python, the same thing with C++, the same thing with anything in life. Whether you're learning a new language, spoken, written, or typed, doesn't matter. You need to put it into a project. So, my only advice to you, my friend, is lock the fuck in and start a project. That is the only advice I can possibly give. And I hope it is useful to you. Yeah, good question, though. Very good question. Let's see. God, I'm so like slow on chat. You're a CS major. That's sick. That's sick. Aren't you just need to do one more variable on string 2? Yes. This is correct. This is correct for this. Yes. That is correct. At least for this question right here. Yes. Okay. Let's see. They're all the same after a while. Yeah. Let's see. Why are you trying to get an excuse to write more comments to get that #1 title? You comment. Jesus Christ. Silly. Okay, always grinding a lot. Exactly, always grinding on the grinder, of course. I just turned in and I'm very uncomfortable. You just tuned in and you're very uncomfortable? Come on in. The water's fine. The water's fine. Come on in. All right. Don't need to be uncomfortable, baby girl. There's no. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, this is like the last bit of chat, and then we need to lock the fuck back in. Okay. I see that you did there. Message. Oh yeah, no. This is just okay. We'll fix it in a minute. Bro is cracked. I want to see you solve some. No. No, that's not happening. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay. Let's lock the fuck in. Hey, I hope you're doing well on this Friday night. If you just joined us and you like to program and you are amongst the intelligent amongst us. I mean, if you clicked on this, if you clicked on this fucking thumbnail and title, you clearly know what the fuck you're doing. You clearly know what the fuck you're doing. Learning to program, like, you clearly know what the fuck you're doing. And if that's the case, and you enjoy teaching people, or you enjoy just yapping about programming, or you have cool projects, consider the notion of subscribing. It would mean a lot. I'm telling you to subscribe right now. You have a gun to your head right now. Okay, you're under, by continuing watching this video, you're under legal obligation to subscribe. Okay, now everyone that's watching should have subscribed. There you go. I just got a few new subscribers by law. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's continue, boys. Let's continue. Let's lock the fuck in. Let's lock the fuck in. Okay, where are we? Yeah, okay, right here. So green, yellow, we understand this now. This makes sense, right? This number, the amount of commas, so to speak, the number of indexes, has to equate to the same number of indexes inside of this tuple. Okay, this makes sense. It's a weird way of doing it, but it's called unpacking. Unpacking a tuple. Okay. Note the number. Look at this. If we just kept on fucking reading, we would have gotten to the conclusion that we came to. The number of variables must. No asterisks here like last time. Last time there was an asterisk and he was really annoying, but there must match the same number of variables in the tuple. If not, you must use an asterisk to collect the remaining variable. Okay. You see how this is an error code? Well, imagine this. You see how this tells me, see, look, you are a big piece of shit. Get good, boy. You don't know how to program? Well, watch this. Now that we put this asterisk there. Shit. It's insulting me even further. Get good. You're bad. Stop trying. Die. Limit. Oh. Wait. Oh, it's before. It's before. Okay, that seems important. That seems very important. No, this makes sense a little bit. Okay, let's go like this. It was before, boys. It was before. Let's try this one more time. You see that shit? Yeah, okay. We shall continue, boys. We shall fucking continue. Where the fuck did chat go again? You guys keep disappearing. I don't appreciate it. Oh, there you are. Let's see. I coded a whole firmware for my board in C by myself, but GUIs are way too complicated for me. Yeah, I don't feel like they're my thing either. Let's see. I went there on one time and did binary search problems. No, we're not touching ones and zeros ever. Okay, ever. And if we are, then we're in the wrong spot. Okay, we've steeped somewhere in life that we shouldn't be steeping. Let's see. Very good comments. This guy flexing secretly. Oh, secretly. Dude. Yeah, no, that's kind of. Yeah. Okay. Let's continue, boys. Let's lock the fuck in. Okay. So, using an asterisk. If the number of variables is less than the number of values, number of variables, aye? Number of variables. Wait, hold on. Number of variables is less than the number of values. Okay. You can add an asterisk to the variable. Oh, well, other way around. Well, no, that's right. Yeah, that's right. To the variable name, and the values will be assigned to the variable as a list. This makes sense. This is good. This is good information. This is really good information. Let's see. Do I know how to read? Do I know how to read? This is a good question, boys. Let's look at this real quick. Do you know how to read? Well, any astute amongst you would know, the OGs know, that the dyslexia, the tism, it's so strong. I can almost sense the force. It's true. It's true. I can almost sense the force. My tism's that strong, okay? Yeah. Yeah. You should be jealous. I sacrificed the ability to read just a little bit, you know? I'm a little autistic in that form. But I can sense the force. I can sense the force. Yeah. Yeah. But no, I can read, but I'm just dyslexic as fuck, and it is yeah. No, it's crazy. Country. Which country do you recommend? Oh, I see what you're saying. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Assign the rest of the values as a list called read. Read or red? Red. Okay. Oh, red. Okay. Okay, we got that. Green, fruits. It's just gonna print all that out. Well, is it gonna go to yellow, cherry, and then do this all in one line? Let's try this, actually. Let's try this. Well, we have an IDE somewhere. Oh, trust me, homie. Trust me, homie. It is not possible for you to offend me. Like, I was not offended in the slightest. You're absolutely fine. Dude. Trust me, it is not feasible for you to offend me. It's not... It's not possible. It isn't. But I would appreciate it if you would try, though. It would really make my day. It would really make my day if you would try to do that for me, please. It would make my day. Don't you worry. No, I'm not offended at all. Don't you worry. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. This commented out. Okay, let's try this real quick. Yeah, let's try this. We're gonna go right here, like this. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if all of this, if banana and cherry are on different lines, right? Are on different lines. But then because red has this asterisk and it puts it into lists, right? Right here. Signs as a new list. If it's going to print all that shit on the same line. You know what I'm saying? Let's try this. Let's run it. Or maybe it's all ends up on the exact same line. Who knows? Let's see. See, look at that. That's important. That's important. See? Look at that. It's on a different line. Or it's all like on the same line. Yeah. I honestly don't know where that would be at all useful, but who fucking knows? Who fucking knows? Tech job is dead, bro. You need to start coding at 7. If you're referring, wait to check if answer 2. Interesting. If you were referring to me, as in tech job, if you were talking to me, dude, I don't want a fucking tech job. You couldn't pay me $100,000 a year to get a tech job. I don't care what I'm doing. I don't care if I have to sit there and just type in ones and zeros all day. I don't want a tech job. I am definitely not learning to program for tech job. You may be wondering, well, then why the fuck are you learning to program? If you're not getting a job, why are you learning to program? Robot arm. Robot arm. Big ass robot arm. Big bomba clot robot arm. Okay? That's what we're doing. You may be asking, oh, like, what parts are you using? What parts are you using, Jacob? No. Only the biggest and the best. We are taking these giant fucking BLDCs, right? Attached to these enormous 1-48 gearbox fuckers. And then we're gonna make a fucking robot arm. That's exactly what the fuck we're gonna do. That's what we're doing actively, okay? Day by day, night by night, morning by morning. You know what I'm saying? Line of code by line of code. Yeah, I most certainly do not. I most certainly don't want a tech job. I don't even know if you were talking to me. Maybe you were, maybe you weren't. Let's see. But yeah, no, I definitely don't want a coding job. Definitely not. Definitely not. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You can try Canada. Oh, you weren't talking to me. You weren't talking to me. You weren't even talking to me. Send me email. I'll send you my. I don't do this often. But boys, can we shame real quick? Are we allowed to shame here? You know, are we allowed to shame? Like, this is a safe space, right? We can shame people, right? We're allowed to do that. Did you say send me your Claude? Like Claude, like that's an AI, right? Claude. How do you spell Claude? I'm assuming that's AI. I can only assume. It sounds like the name of an AI. Okay, if this is something else where it's like the craziest fucking code, then I'm going to take everything I'm saying back. But if it is AI, then we are going to shame you, okay? I'm getting a bunch of AI shits. Okay, shame. Officially. Just shame. Okay. I know I have to say this every day, but my goal is not to be a lazy piece of shit. I'm not calling you a lazy piece of shit, but I'm saying that I don't want to be a lazy piece of shit. And using AI to write every line of code inside of this fucking robot arm that we're going to be making, that's lazy. I want to write every line of fucking code by hand. Every line. Index by index. Until it works or I die trying. Those are the two options. We've been given two options, and we're going to accomplish one of those two options. We're going to grind until it works or die trying. We ain't going to use AI. AI is for lazy. Lazy. Yeah, sure, it's the future. It's great. Don't get me wrong. Don't catch me tripping on the wrong stack. Okay. It probably is the future, but it is also probably incredibly and super duper lazy. Factually. Okay. I'm not calling you lazy. I'm not calling you lazy. I'm calling... If I were to use it, I'd be considering myself lazy. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I can yap about. That's all I can say. But I appreciate your advice. I appreciate your advice, my friend. But no. No. We are not. We're most certainly not going to be using no Claude. No Claude code. Absolutely not. I refuse. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. You should do DPID controller on your robot arm and write a firmware for the Raspberry Pi. Right there. It's right there. It's right there. We have the pot pin, right? It goes into PWM signal, goes to Arduino. Arduino turns it into a CAD signal, turns it into the O drive. O drive is this thing. If I can find it. O drive is this thing, right? This is an O drive. It's basically a driver board. ESE, I don't really know. Driver board. That takes that information from the Arduino. It takes it. It puts it into a PID algorithm, proportional integral derivative algorithm, right? It reads information from the encoder, right? The encoder right here. What's it going to do from here? Well, it's going to do black magic until eventually it takes the rotation of, you see that? The rotation of the potentiometer, And eventually, hopefully, if shit works out and is awesome and bonkers, then it's going to take the position of the encoder. It's going to say, hey, are we at the position we want? If not, run through black magic wizardry. Eventually, it's going to spit out, the O drive is going to spit out electricity to the motor, and then it is going to turn the motor right here. It's going to turn. Spin this, spin that, to that. That's what we're going to do. That's a good suggestion. It's a very good suggestion. Very good suggestion right there. That's good. That's good stuff right there. That's good stuff. Okay. And it is easy to go from my... oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. Let's see. But AI auto... Wait, but AI auto your $100 job, though. Luckily, that's why I'm not getting a job in AI. Or sorry, in programming. I'm not doing this for a job. I'm doing it because I fucking want to do it. Like, I have a job. I'm on my lunch break. We have to leave in 5 minutes to where I have to go back to my job. I'm actively on my lunch break right now. I'm on my lunch break. Well, honestly, where is it? Hopefully it's here. Like, I literally need to go back to my job in 5 minutes. Like, I don't need a job inside of... We definitely, most certainly do not want a job inside of programming. Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, sure, I'm sure can do that. But I... Okay, let's see. My agents have your robot code ready if you need all test pass. Do I need to say anything, boys? Do I even need to say anything? Let's see. I appreciate the offer. I do appreciate that offer, but no. I appreciate that offer, but I'm going to be writing every single line of this of programming for this fucker. But I do appreciate that offer. Why don't you ping me? What the fuck is a ping in this context? Am I missing something? Hey, and thank you for being here. I appreciate you, my boy. Yeah, he's smoking crack. I see. Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, now that makes sense. AI is nothing compared to an actual human programmer. For now, that's the case. For now, this is the case. Unfortunately, that might not be the case. You know what I'm saying? That might not be the case soon. Vibe coding doesn't work for now. It still requires a lot of human intervention, unfortunately. Or fortunately, however you want to put it. What you call an AI is just very complicated math algorithm. So far, it's just a toy to generate slop. This is said literally perfectly, and it embodies all of AI perfectly. What is up, low-level labs? I hope you are having an absolutely exquisite day. What's up, my boy? Nice to see you again. It's very nice to see you again. What, dude, this music is giving me an aneurysm. Let's find something absolutely... Yeah. Okay, let's go like this. Interesting. All right, you don't ping me on... You didn't ping me on... Why would I do that? And I don't even know what that is, my friend. James knows, you sud have done... What does SUD stand for? Or what does that mean in this context, my friend? Please inform me. I am an unintellect in the slang. You know what I'm saying? I don't speak in gang signs. I wish I did. What does that mean? You have done... yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oren? What? Oren? What What's up, my boy? Oren. Boys, we have an OG in chat right now. We have an OG in chat. This is Oren fucking John Moore. He is a Giga Chat on the highest degree. If you don't believe me, I'll demonstrate that right now. Uno momento, por favor. Let's go right here. We're gonna go over here now. We're gonna like this. We're gonna go over to. This is the man. You know where this man is right now? He's in Japan. He's in Japan. Doing Japanese shit. Okay? Yeah. Oren, I hope you're having an absolutely fucking swell time. I hope you're having an absolutely fucking swell time. What's up, my guy? Okay. I know a guy vibe coding 10 minutes a day, then go to sleep and get paid 150K. Great. I know a guy that insults people for a living, probably is very unintelligent compared to the popular belief, and paints himself orange. And he gets paid millions of dollars a day. His name's Donald Trump. You know what I mean? It's my goal to get paid $150,000. No, it's to build a fucking robot arm. It's to build a robot arm. If it was to get paid $150,000 a day. Yeah, that's silly. That's very silly. Valentine's Day, dude. It is Valentine's Day. Probably for some of you, actually. That's crazy to think. I only know Discord. Let's see. SUD. So should. Okay, let's see. You should have done at everyone. Did I not do that? Thank you. Thank you. Actually, this is very informative. Join the Discord, by the way. Join. If you have a large schlong. Join the Discord if you have a large schlong. Damn, that's crazy, dude. That's wild. Join the Discord if you have a large schlong. Let's go like this. Bam. I added everyone. I feel like it did. Right? Did it not hit? Let me know if it didn't like work for you though. Let me know. Let's go like this. Okay, I'm gonna need to. Let's go like this. Bam. Okay. God damn it. Well. Let's see. I know a guy who. Okay, we already read this. Python is pretty nice. It is. It is. It very much is. I feel motivated to learn more. I don't know why. Lock the fuck in, my boy. Stop watching the stream. Stop watching the stream. If you feel motivated to learn more, stop watching the stream and go learn more. Go pick up a book. Okay. Go on bro code and just lock the fuck in. Go learn. Boys, the demon timer is wrong. I do have to go back to my job. I'm going to read a little bit more of chat. And then we're going to lock the fuck in. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. This guy, Waffle, stole my number. Silly man. Jacob, you have to recognize that people don't spell everything perfectly. You have to guess. Yeah, that is something that is very... I'm learning that slowly. Slowly but surely. Let's see. Open mind. Yeah, okay. Walk back in to learn. Yeah, that's the thing is, unfortunately, it is not my weekend. It is, I'm going to go back to my job now, which kind of sucks, but, you know, we got to do it. Let's see. You silly people. Okay. I am working on BCI. Wait. Brain computer interface. Do you want to collab so your arm will actually be controlled by your brainwaves? You're building a BCI actually? Seriously? Dude, I've been wanting to build a BCI since I was a fucking kid. I remember thinking, I remember writing this in my dictionary or my diary being like, I want to build a fucking BCI on a rocket when I'm older. That's crazy, dude. Join. Hey, you know what you need to do? You know what you need to do, my boy? You need to go right here and join this Discord. All right? You need to do that. That's what you need to do. Join that Discord and then yap about that, please. If you're building an actual brain computer interface, please yap about it in the Discord. I would greatly appreciate that. Greatly. Let's see. But that's sick, dude. That's sick. Oh shit. Top chat was on again. God damn it. Fuck. LMAO, this guy is funny. I'm glad you think so. I'm very glad you think so. My friend made me like that. I'm very confused now. Okay. Then that guy is a liar. What? Okay. What if you make a Teams activity emulator so you can stream for longer? No. Because I don't know what that is. Okay. Jacob's gotta be the only streamer who asks people to stop watching. You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. I've been scripting on Unity. Ooh, at school, lol. Also working on an unfinished editing project. You know how to edit? If you know how to edit, I'm hiring. I am hiring because I'm hiring. So if you know how to edit, join this Discord. Join the Discord. Well, hold on. Join the Discord, my boy. All right. Subscribe if you wouldn't mind. If you would just be the kindest motherfucker on the planet and consider the notion of subscribing, but then also join that Discord. It'd mean a lot. Let's see. Gotta go, chat. I gotta go as well. Hey, my homies, I'll catch you later. How's the job, my boy? How to wait? Jesus Christ, my dyslexia is insane. How to jobs, my boy? One job. Maybe you're talking about someone else. I have no idea. Oh, you're talking to him. Okay. The camera is too zoomed in. Is that better for you? No, you're right. You're right. Is that better for you? I think it's a little better for you. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go like this from now on. Okay. The camera's too zoomed in. Jacob, you better check it general and incubator later. You're goddamn right I will. What do you do for your job? The most basic of basic household activities at the hospital. Okay. He builds a robot arm. You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. But American girls are cute and open. TAS. One of the reasons as well. Oh god. Okay, boys. Genuinely, I do gotta go. It is my time to leave and vacate the premise immediately. So, if you are just joining us, I am very, 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 very sorry that you are joining at such a late moment. But, hold on. Keep your faces there just for a moment. I would greatly appreciate it if you consider the notion of subscribing. Why do I say this? Because you're trying to get that number right there, the one that you're looking at, up as much as humanly possible. And you subscribing would get us just a little bit closer to that. Obviously, before we go, we need to end on a schizophrenic note. Thank you, boys, for joining. I appreciate you. And let's have a good time.
Guardando attentamente i monumenti, la classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati di me. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati di me. Altro che ragazzi.
And remember, boys, above all else, there's only one thing you gotta keep in mind. There's only one thing you gotta do no matter what. Whether you're feeling happy, whether you're feeling sad, whether you're depressed, whether you're anxious, whether you're tired, whether you're energetic, motivated, doesn't matter. There's one thing that you need to do. And that's to stay focused, my brothers. And statistically speaking, unlikely sisters. Stay focused. I hope your programs go absolutely bonkers. All of your things compile properly. I love you. Consider subscribing if you are awesome. I love you, boys. Stay focused.
a far da guida per la città.